again, y'all can see we have made it back to the crib. Now, I didn't really do any talking in the beginning of the video because I want to bring something to you all at the end. Forgive me once again, y'all. Late on the content. Your boy's been feeling under the weather, man, sick, all week, bro. So I like a lot. Like the last few weeks, I've been down under the weather, trying to get myself back together. So that's why the content is not being consistent as where it needs to be. But now I don't want to push everything just on me being sick. I can say like the outlets, y'all, really just haven't been packing that punch how they normally would. From my favorite outlet that I normally go to even the other one. So what I'm gonna probably start doing is going out a little further. Your Allens, your Fort Worth, to just kind of see what they may have out there, what type of product they may have in their stores as well. Because normally the stores that I have been going to, not to say the product is bad, it's just that it's kind of repetitive what they have in the store. And like I say all the time, I don't want to keep bringing you guys like the repetitive content in the stores. I can only show what they put out. But on top of that, I was thinking about, y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all thinking. Just going on like maybe like online shopping hauls from Ralph Lauren, just copying, just going there, buy up, whatever, and just bring that to the channel as well. I know y'all want to see me like go to the stores and bring you guys a lot of, like show you guys the items in the store. But going forward, if it ain't really just hitting on that, I'm just probably just doing like online shopping hauls from like the Ralph Lauren store. Who else? Well, now it'll just be strictly Ralph Lauren. If I find some like another fit or something, or Ralph Lauren on another website, I definitely bring that here as well. But most importantly, like I just go to like ralphlauren.com and just see what they have and just do hauls from the website. So that'll be something new that you guys can look forward to. But let's get into this today. Shout out to Macys from what we ended up picking up today, y'all. So up first is this polo right here, this navy and sky blue polo. Super dope. But you guys see the back of it. Got the 3 on the back. On the front, right there. Top right here, it says what? Polo Ralph Lauren, established, co-fine quality goods. And this shirt right here, I think I got a few of these. Maybe. Real thick polo, not thin at all. Stood out with the navy and the sky blue. You have anything over here? No, we don't. What about this sleeve? So another 3 on the sleeves, another 3 on the back. What I like about this, and what stood out to me, is just the sky blue on the collar shirt and going down the back right here. That was super dope to me, especially with the kicks that I'm gonna match up with this. So I'll try this on in just a second, and let's get to the next shirt. The next shirt, this is simple. Y'all know how I feel about the rugbies, man. Y'all know I rock with the rugbies. Just another one, same context. Well, not same context, same colorway. Navy and sky blue. Back right here, nothing really on the back. Just navy, sky blue with the red small pony up front. This one is retail for $145. That one retail for $140. So with the rugbies, man, y'all know that I'm starting to. I will purchase them just to be purchasing them, but I actually now like kind of start liking these, the rugby. So I caught myself purchasing a lot more of these. So let me try these joints on. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. This is the polo. Y'all can see me. Y'all can tell I've been under the weather. I don't even have a haircut. Turn around, y'all see the back. This is the front of it. You can go true to size on these. Fit is about normal. Dope polo. I said true to size. Stood out once again because the sneakers that I'm gonna bring you all to, that I'm rocking with this. Y'all see the back one more time. But yeah, super dope. Super dope polo. So let's get into the rugby. Let's try on the rugby. You guys can see this is the rugby. Y'all know I never rock my rugby sleeves down. I always pull them up for some reason. Pet peeve of mine. Did you guys see the back of this joint? Yeah, man, like I said, I just grabbed it for another little throw and go. Just something to throw on when I'm going somewhere. With the navy and the sky blue concept, with the red pony. I was looking for maybe a hat like this. I would definitely combine it together, but I didn't see one. But y'all let me know out of both of these, which ones y'all rocking with. Do y'all like the rugby better, or do y'all like the polo better? Me personally, I think I like the polo, just a little better. But when I seen the rugby with the same colorway, I just grabbed it for an extra 50 to throw on to the sneakers. You ain't gotta be a sneakerhead to know what this box is. This is your basic Nike Air Force One box. So the sneakers we'll be pairing up with these are just a simple pair of Nike Air Forces. These are, what do they call it? Obsidian aluminum. Maybe they call them aluminum because when you move the shoe, it's kind of like I don't know, like a change color a little bit. But yeah, man, these Air Forces right here that we will be rocking, matching up with this polo. Y'all comment down below, let me know what you think about it. Okay, now that the light hit it, I kind of see why they say that, because it turns like two different blues, like a light blue and a dark blue. So it definitely matches up. I just know y'all probably not seeing that on the camera, how when the light hit it, just changed the colors. But yeah, y'all, we just kept it real basic. Simple pair of Air Force Ones right here. And these right here were on sale at Foot Locker. Well, every store that I've seen them in so far, they've been on sale for, I think, $100. So if y'all into the sky blue and navy, or if you're into this, go check that out, or you can pick it up real cheap right now. So I think these are retailing maybe like $130, $140. Yeah, so these joints are on sale right now. But yeah, man, y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about the fit. Are y'all rocking with the rugby, or y'all rocking with the polo? Me personally, I like the polo just a little bit better. I don't know, it feels different, especially in this colorway right here. So, before we get out of here, man, once again, I appreciate y'all. If you haven't, we got this for. Make sure you go ahead and sub to the channel. Like the video so we get the video out whoever we need to get it to. Oh, and by the way, we have been going crazy on TikTok. My last video on TikTok went dumb. I shout out to y'all. I appreciate y'all for that. If you haven't already, go ahead and sub to my TikTok. That is Scotty Nino. That's where you'll see me post most of this stuff. Put most of the fits on and post them on my TikTok. And what else, man? I want to leave y'all with before we get out of here. Oh, we already editing up the next video. Bring out another banger right after this. So please forgive me, man. Like, I just couldn't control me getting sick. Like I said, I had the content out, had some stuff recorded, but I was like, man, just being under the weather, I did not feel good at all. So y'all forgive me for that. I'll take that one on the chin. So y'all comment down below, man. Let me know y'all rocking this fit right here. Tell me if y'all grabbing any one of these items. And you know, just let me know. So on to the next video, man. I appreciate y'all on the road to 10K. Shout out y'all once again. Thank y'all for subbing and watching the video. I'm out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay out like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Hey, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana twister, baby girl, just wanna